Hello friends, today I will be talking about loss of appetite in dogs. Daily out of uh, 25-30 cases what I see, most of the cases are uh, they are presented with loss of appetite. Generally, clients are very confused why my dog is not eating, though most of the dogs are active. See, in case of Labrador, German Shepherd and all, they are very active breed and they hide their symptoms. And uh, till the time you find the symptoms, sometime it becomes late. So, to find out why my dog or your pet is not eating, it's the important part of your pet parenting. So, the reason few of them are there, which I will just lined out. Reason may be fever. You look for heavy respiration, heavy panting. You can use even thermometer at your home, and you have to just train yourself. Rectal temperature you can take at home and find out if your pet has got temperature. Temperature may be viral, temperature may be protozoal, temperature may be of bacterial origin. If fever is not subsiding, just show it to your vet so that he can find out why fever is there. You may require to go for some blood test and all, you may require to go for some antibiotic course. As your vet prescribe you, just follow that. There may be other reason like gastric issue. Since you are taking your pet for walking daily, just observe for any loose motion and any vomiting signs. If your dog is having loose motion, it means it has got some stomach infection and your dog might lose appetite. Third is that you see when you have dewormed your pet, because deworming is important part of pet parenting. You know, you must be having guidelines for deworming. In adult dog, generally every 3 months you have to deworm your pet. In puppy, generally from 35 days of age, you have to deworm it 15 days apart till 3 months of age, then 1 month apart till 6 months of age, and after that, as usual, like adult dog, every 3 months it has to deworm. Look for worms. When your dog is passing stool, look for worm in stool. If it is there, then get your dog dewormed. Other thing, dental issue. See, it's a very prominent part. Most of the dog get plaque formation, they get infection, cavity formation is there. When as age progresses, they get all these of things. If they have got pain in their gum because of dental issue, there will be more of salivation. They might not like to eat, because when they try to chew foods, generally they don't chew, they swallow, but mostly when they try to bite food, they try to hold food, their gum pains. So that may be one reason of loss of appetite in dogs. Other issue like behavioral issue. It's a sometimes some dog has got habit of eating with their owners, some individual hand. In your house, try to feed your dog daily with different person. Every person should give him should feed him, because if only one person feed him daily, eventually he will become habituated, and that there will be a problem when that man is not there, and that may be one reason. Other thing, separation anxiety also. Look for some important member of a family who has gone out for few days, or even your servant generally who feeds dog. If he has gone house, then also your dog might not eat. Some other reason like seasonal variation is there, like in case of summer, since already heat is there, dog might not require more of calorie, say they will eat less, but in winter they need more calorie because they have to keep their body warm. So in winter generally dogs eat more. So these are the reason when your dog might lose appetite. One more important reason, if it is male, there is a hormonal issue in case of male. When bitches outside your house, nearby your home, if any bitches comes to heat, generally they secrete some hormones called pheromones, and these hormones influence your dog's behavior, and because of that your dogs get very excited, and because of anxiety of that hormonal influence, your dog might not eat. So these are the reasons. There might be other reasons also, like liver issue, kidney issue, some major organ issue may be there, but these things your vet might find out after doing some blood test and all. So you cannot guess that. But once, anytime, for any time, if your dog is not eating consequently for 2 days, then this is a serious issue and you must show your dog to your vet. Thank you very much, dear.